Now what I would normally do is change this window from the outside, but you have a pretty unusual situation here. The house is on a hill. Outside it has a deep slope, the window is up high, the neighbor's house is very close, and it would be difficult to build a scaffolding to get to this window. So what I want to do is remove it from the inside.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great.
Now before we take the sash out, first thing I want to do is remove all these broken pieces of glass. Okay, now that I have the broken glass out of the middle right here, next thing I want to do is break this muntin right here with my hand, and hopefully I'll be able to get to these pieces and take them out one at a time without breaking them. Now I want to remove the frame to the outside of the sash. Now when they install the sash, they push it in from the outside and it sits against this stop right here. So what I want to do is I just want to score the paint so I can push it forward. Now we have to start thinking about the sash going into this opening. The original sash came in from the outside and was pushed in up against this stop right here. So if I place a straight edge right here against this stop, you can see that the jamb is wider on the outside. What we're going to do is we're going to push our new sash in from the inside, but we have to have something for it to go against. To fill the space in the jamb, I ripped some fillers out of some 1/2-inch poplar. Now I've created another piece for our window to go against. This is actually a rabbeted piece. This will go in against our filler piece, making it flush with this stop here, but also creates a shelf for the new sash to go against. When the window goes in from the inside, it will stop against this piece right here.
Okay, great. So we can do the entire window installation from inside.
Exactly.
Awesome, very cool.
Because I can't get to the window from the outside, I'm priming the stops before I install them. Now the sill on the outside of the window has an angle on it. That's to shed the water. I want to have a flat spot so we can insert our sash to that. So what I've done is I've ripped a filler to follow the angle of that sill. Now I'll just put it in place and nail it. Now we're ready to install the stops that are going to hold the sash into place. To make the corners tight, I remove this part of the rabbet right here. Now when they go together, we'll have a nice tight joint. And I tack them into place with some trim nails. All right, Mark, here's your new window. The most important thing is that this window is now safety glass. Building code requires that because the window is on a landing or on a stairway, it has to be safety glass. So if someone coming down the stairs goes through the glass, you have to worry about those big pieces of glass when you pull your arm back. That's when you do the damage. When it's safety glass, you go through that glass, it breaks in little pieces, and it's less chance of getting a major cut.
Okay, great. So next time we smash the window, everyone should be fine.
Well, let's hope you don't break it again. All right, so this fits pretty good. I'm going to take it out and seal it up. I'm applying a bead of caulking around the perimeter of the window on the outside to seal it up. I then toenail it into place and caulk around the inside perimeter. All right, Mark, your window is in, and now we need to dress it up a little bit. Now here's a cost-effective way to do it. We're actually going to apply a film to the inside of the glass to make it look like a leaded glass window.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, looks even better than what I had before.
All right, Mark, your new window's in. What do you think?
It looks great. Like this is how the window's always been.